Hello and welcome to this eFIling tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to apply for a tax clearance certificate. Usually that's a document that's often requested by certain businesses to do transactions with you, or that some organizations will need if you want to apply for membership and things like that. So I think it's very important to know how to get your tax clearance certificate. So once you've logged onto your eFIling profile, you can actually click on this on the right hand side. There's these two arrows that you can click, and that will actually expand the profile to you. So you'll see there's more space to work with. So on the left hand side, top left hand side, you've got home, returns, services, and tax status. You can actually go into tax status, and I've already done the activation process, but if yours isn't activated yet, you have to click on activation, tick both tax compliance status and a disclaimer, click continue, and click continue until you get to this point where you see this screen, the My Tax Compliance Profile. You'll be able to get to this point, and when you're here, this is the important check. So you have to check, is my registration compliant? Is there no issues with that? Do I have any outstanding returns? Do I have any debt that's due to SARS? And do I have any supporting documents outstanding? And if all of those are up to date, then you can get a tax clearance certificate, and SARS will issue it immediately. If one of these status are non-compliant, you can actually go into the submission of returns, and it will drop down, and then you can see, okay, so the last tax return is due. The 2017 tax return must be submitted. That's why I'm non-compliant. Or if I go back and there's an amount here, you can open it up and you can see where it's from. Okay, this taxpayer is 100% clear. So in order to apply for a tax clearance certificate, you need to click on tax compliance status request, select good standing, and then you request it. Let's go do that. I'm going to enlarge it. So you put in some contact detail. You actually only have to fill in one of the numbers. You don't have to fill in everything. Is this a request completed and done by authorized representative on behalf of the taxpayer? No, this is by the taxpayer himself. And then this is not a partnership or joint venture. If you tick yes, you have to complete a representative taxpayer details or tax practitioner details, but because this is an individual profile, this is actually done by the taxpayer himself. Okay, so everything is filled out. There's no other required fields, so I can just submit, continue, and there you go. So as you can see, I've already done one, but you'll notice that it's compliant, it's been approved. I select the one I want, and I click print TCC. It will download the TCS letter, that's what it's called when it's downloaded. And as you can see, tax clearance certificate, good standing. And it's issued free of charge by SARS. And that's it. Then it expires next year this time. Next year, 20th of November 2019. I hope that was helpful. Please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more eFIling videos. Cheers. Bye-bye.